Good morning, traders, and welcome. It's Day Trading with Nuke. Today, we're going to shorten up our list a little bit. I need to get it out of here. I had a hardware failure this morning. I need to replace the sound card in my computer, so I'm having trouble with my audio. So we're going to get this on out there nice and quick and easy, and really not go too far off in the weeds today on this. So with that in mind, we're going to start off with IGC, pre-market action. We got our daily open, our morning pre-market high, our pre-market low. We got a good projection. Looks like it's steadily falling off the map, so today might be a great day to short it. If so, we're looking at about, let's see, what was that, 11 minus 9, 2, so about $2 to the downside depending on where it breaks. So this should be some pretty good action. What's that looking like on the daily chart? As you can see, it's a pretty good range. We've got, get back in there. Get back in there. There we go. So pretty good range of motion that we have to work with. So definitely looking forward to possibly shorting this thing. I wouldn't say it's going to go all the way down today, but definitely looking like you can play it to the downside. Next ticker up is going to be NBEV. NBEV. What is that looking like for us? This thing has had a pretty good range of motion the last few days. Throughout the morning, it's been consistently losing value. We had that marked off. I guess I need to come back and put a new one in here, new trend line. Draw that across here, a little steeper slope. And if it holds below that, expect to see this thing in short territory for the duration of the morning. Guess it doesn't want to cooperate. Anyway, what does that look like total? If it breaks above this resistance line, expect to see it could pop up to the pre-market resistance of 1021. If it breaks through the 1021, could possibly go up to 1325, but I expect more of this is going to be a short play, retesting down to 716. And then if that support doesn't manage to hold, expect to see it drop on down to the low side of about $4.12. I don't expect to see this much action. Probably hover around here around the bottom side, just into the sevens. We'll have to see. All right, next ticker up is going to be AMD. It's had a lot of action recently. Wow, why are these just... Not sure why it's crunching all this up like this on me. We marked it out. Oh, I guess I didn't throw this one in there. We'll throw them in there real quick right now. Sorry, I was trying to do a couple of things differently, put some of the work in ahead of time for you guys so that we can get this out in a little bit faster format. Wham, bam, quicker, maybe 5 minutes of tune-in action for you. But anyway, it's holding a solid downtrend at the moment. Expect pre-market resistance on the high side was at $31.46, and support on the low side is at $30.80. Expect that if it respects this current resistance line, we're going to see it retest at $30.80. And if it can't hold the support there, see it break down to around $30.13. Next one up is going to be AMRN. This has kind of been everybody's sweetheart lately. Get out of there. AMRN, the current little sweetheart we've been playing with, and it's made some good money. It had a really nice pre-market high at 1651 that it set, but then since then it's been kind of petering around, coming back down. Closer to the daily open, which was at $15.72, and then it had a daily low of $15.41. What that means for us is that it actually set a very wide pre-market action. So I would expect to see this thing still continuing this resistance trend and retest this 1541. If it manages to break out below this support here at 1541, expect to see it drop down around 1431. And that is all of what I have on the lower price stocks. Of course, we're still keeping our eye on Tesla. TLRY, Apple, Facebook, NVIDIA, and Netflix. I'm just not going to go into that for you right now, and I will cover that on the evening recap session since we have more time. This cutting it short now is going to allow me to push this out to everyone and get it on time. So, all right, with that, I will see you this afternoon with this evening's recap. Good luck. Stay green.